To begin, I'm turning on my scales and laying my container and now zeroing out so that the container doesn't come into the weight portion of my mix. I'm mixing 1 part liquid to 4 parts powder. It gives me a nice consistency and also strength. And in less than a minute or 2 maximum of mixing, you've got a nice consistency. These oval trays are really popular, so I'm going to add a bit of gold leaf to it and use 2 colors. One, I'm making a very soft pink and then adding a bit more red pigment to make a brighter pink. Then I pour both of those at the same time. I want them to end up right around the middle of the gold leafing. I push that together. You can see it's a nice and thick consistency. And then you do the shaky for a minute, and this will flatten out your mix and also help release the bubbles. I've decided to add a design on the back. Then you tap a little more to remove more of the bubbles. And then 90 minutes later, it's time to demold. And I've got a lovely tray.